If you need to cancel your Zelle subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Access your banking app. Open the banking app on your mobile device where you initially set up Zelle. Zelle is typically integrated into the app of your bank or credit union. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle settings. Once in the app, locate the section for Zelle. This may be found in the main menu or under a specific tab for payments or transfers. Step 3. Find subscription or account options. Look for options related to your Zelle account or subscription settings. This may be labeled as Manage Account, Settings, or Zelle Preferences. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Within the account options, find the option to cancel your Zelle subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation request. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After submitting your cancellation, check for a confirmation message or email. Ensure that your Zelle service has been successfully cancelled to avoid any future charges. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Zelle subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your bank's customer service for assistance.